Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. I don't know why I'm so excited. Hey y'all, welcome back to a new vlog. It's your girl BerryFae, and in today's vlog we are celebrating people. We're celebrating the twins, Sonia and Joanne. Happy birthday. Today's September the 4th. We're celebrating my brother Paul. Happy birthday. I love you, bro. We're celebrating my other brother Alex. Happy birthday to you too. So this vlog is just a little bit of a celebration. A day in the life of me celebrating people. Right now I'm heading to Ulta, which is right over here, where we will be picking out their gifts, picking up their gifts. The three of them, Paul, my brother Paul and the twins, we're going to be picking up their gifts from Ulta, and then we're going to be heading up to my sister's house, and we're going to be having a party over there, a charcuterie brunch. And DJ, I just dropped him off at the dollar store. He is currently picking up candy. My board, everyone has to bring a charcuterie board, you know, that's my specialty, but I didn't want to do food because I was filming a sponsored video this morning, and it was going to take too much time to prepare food and do that video, so I opted to do a candy board. So DJ's at the Dollar Tree right now picking out some candy while I'll pick up their gifts, and then we're gonna head on up to St. Lucie, and yeah, so you'll see all of that. So right now I'm heading into Ulta, and we're gonna go get their gift. They wanted perfume, so that's what they're gonna get. And you know how I feel about perfume, baby. Everybody's getting perfume, baby. So we are at the outlets, and we're just gonna run up in Ulta real quick. I already know what I'm getting them, and I have a coupon. Y'all know I always got my coupons, but you know, for things like this is why you need coupons. This is why you need memberships. This is why you need all of those things. So let's just hop into Ulta. If you don't hurry up, people have just been irritating me, and I just started driving for like the last 10 minutes. It's just really annoying, but all right, let's go up in here. Let's go. Outfit. I'm wearing this dress again. This is the dress that I wore in my sister's baby shower. So I'm just wearing this two-tone dress from Shein. It's hot, it's summertime still, so I don't really have time to be wearing pants. Dresses by all means. So anywho, let's go into Ulta. Hi, thank you. Oh, it's nobody in here, so that's good. All right, here is the fragrance aisle. All right, so we're gonna get them both. I would do my way. Those are 90 each, so I might do the my way, but I really want to do if not, so I might do this too. The good girl. Hi. Good. Can I get the smaller, the blush and the very good? And I need a men's cologne. You vlog? Yeah. Yeah, it's my friend's birthday. I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta get them again.
Right. So that's one, the small one?
Yeah. Not the roller, the smaller bottle. It's a 1.7?
Yeah.
That's the smallest one, right?
Do you know if we have, can you check in the back if we have the...
If not, I'll just get those two. It's fine. Let me get that, and then the same size for the very... They're twins. So.
Oh, actually, I have to put it up front for you.
Okay.
What's your name?
Ariel.
Ariel? Okay.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get both, and then I need a cologne. I'm gonna get the bad boy. I'll just do all three. Right.
Oh, you can.
Did
you try this one?
I have all of them. Oh. This is for everybody else. I'm getting. I'm trying not to get myself something.
Right. I know, it's always like that.
But
which one?
It doesn't matter. Let me get that one. This one's for my brother. It's his birthday too.
Yep. What camera is that, if you don't mind me asking?
The Canon G7X.
Canon. Wait, I want to
G7X.
I've been looking for this.
G7X. I like it. I've had it for like 4 years now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it don't be tripping. I wanted to get a new one, but like the one that everybody's got, like the new ZV-1.
Yeah.
After a while, everybody started complaining about it. I'm like, yeah.
The
Canon G7X.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Do you need help with anything else?
No, that's it. But I'm just gonna keep shopping. All right, so I got the colognes and the perfume. I think I'm done. I want to get my brother more stuff though. I think I'm gonna get this little a kit for my brother because I need him to step up his skincare. So I'm gonna probably get him a little skincare kit. I guess. What is this? It's the facial cleanser. So this one just looks better, but I like this one better. All right, all done. Let me go ahead and check out because I gotta go. Let me see the next fragrance I'm gonna get for my husband. Oh, this is cute. I can get that for DJ birthday coming up. All right, let me go. So we are done with that. We got everybody their fragrance. Now let's go get my man and we're gonna go. Where we gotta go. It's so hot. All right, so yeah, that was quick and easy. And yeah, I had $53 off, which was very good. So that means I got like one of the bottles half off. I'm hungry and we need to get to where we gotta go. So see y'all. I'll see y'all. If you don't get your behind out here.
Oh, okay. What you need?
That's not the same thing.
That's what I was wanting to see how it
Move.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past.
I got you. You want some of this? Take a picture. Tag Charcuterie. BerryFae Charcuterie. Tag BerryFae Charcuterie. The only way you can touch this. The only way you can have some of this is if you take a picture
On your story.
BerryFae Charcuterie on your story. Alright? You ain't doing that, you ain't touching it.
I don't even want no for real. I'm just gonna support.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Wait, move this thing. Move this.
Nah, move this.
Move this.
Got it.
Both of those cigars.
We got that one.
So what time is it? Can I get
I'll be back. You gotta be make sure everybody get nice pictures. Make sure they go. You know, you do it, you gotta tag BerryFae Charcuterie. You gotta tag it on your Instagram.
BerryFae what?
Go. Five, right? And one end got 5. Tag BerryFae Charcuteries on Instagram. Girl is a beast, y'all.
Wait, how do
Get your phone. Listen.
Go ahead. You started the timer?
She did.
Wait, I thought you changed it. It looks like
She did.
Road.
The first one was straight.
Look at him, bro. Back up.
the wheels on the back of the bus.
Get something. Get something.
School bus.
Who said
School bus.
Wheels on the bus.
Train.
Trip. Oh, no. I'm sorry. That was old.
That was the other one. That was the other one.
Train.
10 seconds.
Railroad track.
Train tracks.
Traffic. Jam.
Traffic jam. You can't go like this.
Girl, what is that?
Say what you want. You can do as much expressions. You can do faces. You can say the scene. You just can't say nothing.
You could do this one.
You can't say nothing.
But you can't read. That girl said you can't read and you can't draw. She said even Jalene can do this one. Easy learning right here. Hey, Judy, that was me. Hey, silence.
What?
Duh. Hangman.
Oh, that's a boy. You see it?
Ugly boy.
Oh, that's a girl with the boy. Oh, damn.
Come on, 2 seconds.
Girl, what are you doing? Kickball. Volleyball.
What for another?
Held in a balloon.
Simba.
They held in a balloon or something, bro. Hey, she's happy birthday. Hey, he's a patron. That don't count. His head's so big.
TV.
Dang.
Watching a movie?
Bro,
Movie premiere.
Cinema.
Just draw.
Movie line. Hey, them hand moves.
Movie.
Movie
Wow. Wait, what was
He
it?
got that from that?
That's a movie.
Oh, he visited that.
I could have just said yeah and cheated.
Took the birthday balloons then.
I was gonna draw a camera, but I'm like,
You got me with the seat. Oh, yeah, get it.
yeah, because you'll be paying for his seats.
No. We are.
You never see there's seats in the theater.
Hey, pay attention.
Matter of fact, bring it to your room.
Yeah, Alexis is so competitive.
Ready?
Yeah.
Shuna. Horse.
Ladybug.
What? A light bulb. Oh wait, firefly. Ted.
Snowman.
Idea.
Ideas.
What is that?
Oh my gosh, y'all.
This is sunset.
Cool.
Wow, that's so weird.
Bing.
Ring. Wedding ring. Engagement ring. There it is.
I was right there behind her listening to the countdown, bro. Next.
Wanna say happy birthday to you. You heard that one? That's a good one.
2, 3.
I wanna say
Birthday.
Keep quiet.
1, 2, 3.
I wanna say happy birthday to you. It's on Instagram. I wanna say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I wanna say happy birthday to you. To you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. That's it. Close your eyes, make a wish. Think about it. Blow out the candles. Close your eyes, make a wish. Hey! And blow out the candles. Close your eyes, make a wish. Close your eyes. And blow out the candles. Close your eyes, make a wish. Boys! I wanna say happy birthday to you. It was viral. It was viral on Instagram and TikTok.
Black people made it.
Okay.
Right? What play? give them their gifts.
It was like, it was the middle of the night. All was like, where it is. Once we turn off the lights.
What's it? Lily. Lily. He's so ugly. Oh, get over here. You can open it so everybody can be jealous.
I know what it is. I know it is.
No, y'all don't.
I have a feeling.
Open it on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open it. Woo! Hey, hey, open it all the way. You're going to get off the floor.
Do you know birthday party delivery?
That was you? Yeah. Okay, who's driving? Who's driving? Who's driving?
I couldn't get y'all the exact same one because I got 2 different ones so I can switch. I figure it'd be better that way. Oh, it's so cute! Ooh. Yeah. It's so cute.
You guys, now we're gonna smell the same.
Now you don't gotta spill mine.
Now we're gonna smell the possible.
Let it dry down. Let it dry. No, it's different.
This is the next one I want. I love this one.
Go to Ulta. You get money off. Isn't it cute, Paul?
Let me smell it. That's not.
Yeah. That's my faves. It's a lightning.
I'm so actual day. Thank you.
All right, y'all.
Bye, Chris. Bye, Stace. Murderer.
We'll be okay.
Well, you're not focusing, stupid thing.
Oh, it's nice.
Thumbnail.
You knew what it was.
Paul, get over here for my thumbnail. 1, 2, 3. Paul!
Oh, I didn't realize I was older than him. I thought we were like the same age. Paul, your hot sauce.
Okay, that's my thumbnail.